What's going on, everybody? My name is Renee, and today we're going to be making my favorite smoothie mix. Add the veggies in with the fruit, and there's nothing wrong with starting your day like that. I'm also going to blend a little bit of matcha powder in this too, don't let me forget. So we're going to have banana, a little ginger, fresh ginger root here. We have blackberries, blueberries, spinach, and raspberries. And then if you want, you can do it with just water and ice, or you can do like a soy milk or a coconut milk, whatever you like. I'm gonna cheat and do a little Tropicana pina colada mix today, just to make it a little exciting. But let's go ahead and get into it. Now, this is the professional grade A series Vitamix I'm going to be using, but you can use any blender you want. And I'm going to start off by just throwing stuff inside of the Vitamix. So here is my banana. Easy peasy, and this is a great thing to get into doing every morning before work or whatever you do. All right, so I did go and wash off my veggies and fruit just to make them nice and clean. But we're going to be using a lot of different things. We're going to start off with the banana for your potassium, keep you vibrant and awake all day. And then we have our spinach here because we need to get those veggies in. Green leaves are good for your hair and skin. And then I have a mixture of berries here. We have blackberries, raspberries, as well as blueberries, which are great for antioxidants, and then just general nutrition and health, of course. So I went ahead and threw those in there. Here's my ginger root. I'm just gonna take a little nub of the ginger root and throw it in there because I like that taste, but ginger is also really great for your digestion, as well as your overall health alertness during the day. So I'm a fan of ginger. Plus, I honestly really like the taste, right? Not that the Vitamix can't handle it, but just to make sure it's nicely evenly distributed. Here is the matcha. I like to put this in my smoothies before I go to work out or before I go to work because it's going to give you extra energy. Remember that this is high quality green tea. So all of the health benefits of green tea, but more. They even call it a superfood. This one has matcha, maca, moringa, wheatgrass, and barley grass. So a lot of extra stuff is thrown in here. It is great taking it. I do like taking this with oatmeal milk too and making like a matcha latte. So we'll have to make that one of these days too. All right, so let me open it up. So then I'm just gonna take like this is a tablespoon here and you're supposed to do a teaspoon. So I'm just gonna take like 1/3 of that. Just throw that powder right in there for its health benefits. We have some filtered water as well. Pour some of the filtered water in there. All right, then I am gonna pour a little bit. Now this, you do not need to do this if you're trying to lose weight or reduce your sugar, but this is just for taste. It's the Pina Colada Tropicana and it's pretty yummy. So I'm just gonna throw that in there so I have a little bit of a coconut water taste to it. I'm gonna move some of this out of the way. All right, so we got everything in the blender that I want. You can also mix in, sometimes you have like some vitamin powders or anything like that. This is your chance to sneak those in. If you're working out and you want to add some protein to your diet, this is your chance to sneak it in. Anything you want to sneak in below those berries, because it's going to be a good flavor. The berries and the bananas you can usually get in there and you don't really notice it. And then there's a smoothie button right here. And I'll give you guys a close-up on that. It suggests I do level 5 at about 50 seconds. So I'm gonna go with their suggestion. It's very well blended right now. All right, and here we are. This made a lot more than one portion. Perfect. All right, well, bon appetit. Thank you guys for joining me and making a nice healthy smoothie today. I look forward to doing this again. Thank you guys so much. If you can smash the like and subscribe button for more recipes from me, I would really appreciate it, as well as hitting that notification bell so you'll always know what's new for my channel. All right, well, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.